What is going on, everybody? You're watching Next Gen Speed. Got the Next Gen GT500 here, doing something a little crazy on it. We're in a Starlight Headliner, but not just any Starlight Headliner. We're in a custom style with a custom logo. So we're gonna take this taken apart, get everything ran, and show you guys how we did it. So first thing, went ahead, got these sun visors moved right here. Just pop the clip right there, pull the little metal clip out, and then let those free. Do the same on the other side. And then remove these Summitizer clips right here with the T20. Then you'll be good to go with the front. You just gotta pop these out with your hands or into your pry tool. Pop these out and then let this loose on each side. And the back of the car as well. Loosened up all these trim panels right here. Loosen that up just by pulling it to your pry tool as well. Loosen up these pillars as well to allow this headliner to come on down. Same thing on the other side. Let's repeat the same process. Console removed, plug removed from there. All ready to be taken out now. This is our shop car. We're doing something special and unique on this, which way we add this Shelby logo in the center of the headliner and make this come out with the stars. Stay tuned for that. So we're back in the shop, and here we got the headliner all trimmed down mostly, pretty much ready to go in the car. Got to trim these little strands a little bit more, but got about 2,200 stars in this headliner, which is a bit crazy. Using about 6 strands. Most stars we've ever done in any car. Thought the C8 was crazy, doing about 1,500, but this car had about 2,200. Logo came out fairly nice for the first time doing it. Could do a little better on the actual letters itself, but it was hard because once you poke the strands through, if you go a little bit cockeyed, that's when they get messed up. For a first timer doing a custom logo, I think it came out pretty good. And here's the top side of it. Pretty much all the strands gonna be coming out here towards the ends and coming out inside of it back. So top side all finished, all sealed up with insulation. This is to keep it insulated and to also keep all these strands bunched down so you don't see a big portion on top. What is going on, everybody? You're watching Next Gen Speed. It's summertime, we're back in the GT500 today, and we got a new Starlight Headliner, as you can see up here. After many weeks of messing around, over 2,200 stars. You heard that right, over 2,200 stars up in this headliner. Usual cars have around 450, and this boy got a whole bunch up in there. But had to add that Shelby logo up in there, custom logo with a Shelby snake and Shelby symbol, just to add that in there to match the car. And to add a nice little elegant look, little custom little action to our headliner that we've never done before. It was definitely a process, took a lot of time, used over 3 boxes for this. So usually Starlight Headliners take about 1 box. We used 3 total boxes for this one.
God, you look so pretty.